guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another mukbang. So today I am eating Haitian food. This was highly requested. I seen a couple of comments and DMs for me to do a Haitian mukbang, so here we are. So if you guys would like to join me for dinner today, and hopefully you have your dinner with me, then please stay tuned and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Turn on your post notifications, follow me on TikTok, and let's get right into the video. So honestly, I don't think I've ever been to a Haitian restaurant or anything. I've had black rice before though. I know that for sure because one of my mom's friends is Haitian and she gave us like black rice once. So I've had black rice and I really like it. But that's about it. But honestly, it's very similar to what I grew up on. So some rice and beans, and I have some griot, and this is basically fried pork. There's fried plantain, and then there's some lettuce. Looks super yummy. And then here I have some legumes with fried plantains and white rice. Researched it and it's basically vegetable soup. Also, you guys, if I mispronounce something or if I'm not correct on my information, please feel free to correct me down below. I also have some black beans here for like the white rice, and then here I have some black rice with goat, and this is called tisso or tisso. Yeah, I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's called tisso goat, and black rice, and then some lettuce, tomato, and fried plantain. Also, I have some Haitian sauce. I think this is like a little spicy sauce. Let me smell it and see. Yeah, it just sounds, it don't sound like anything. It just smells like seasoned sauce. It might have, I think it's for the fried pork. Fruit champagne, fruit cola, banana soda. This is good. Let me know how you guys' day went or is going. My day was okay. I honestly just cleaned. What's today? Saturday? Yeah, today's Saturday. I honestly just cleaned my apartment today, which was very therapeutic. I was just blasting music and cleaning. Very therapeutic. Also, I like how there's raw onions on here. I honestly, it depends. But I think I prefer raw onions over cooked onions. But again, it depends. I'm ready to try this fried pork or this griot. I'm ready and I'm gonna try with the sauce. I love fried pork. It's so not healthy, but it's so good. So I'm just gonna dip it. Oh, let me show you guys the Hold on, I need like a bucket of this sauce. I should have, hold on. I'm sold. I'm gonna try some griot without the sauce. I'm going to do one of these numbers and then I'm gonna dip it. I've actually been a little bit obsessed with Queen Beast. By the way, this is what I'm doing. I'm dipping this into my sauce. Why didn't they give me a bigger sauce? Queen Beast here on YouTube, I see her do this a lot, like just put like stuff on the plantain and just eat it like that. I typically do that. My mom sometimes, she makes like a chicken salad and then she'll make fried plantain on the side, and then I'll eat it with plantain. I don't know, you guys. I have nothing to talk about right now. I am enjoying this blessing. I might do a like a Dominican food mukbang, but I grew up on that, like, so it's kind of like I'm in no rush. I love the food that I've grown up on, but yeah, I'm just in no rush to eat it because I eat it all the time. I saw the funniest post last night, and I posted on my Snapchat, and a couple of you were just concerned that I'm not okay. Check this out. In case you guys saw that and you guys were one of the ones that was asking me if I'm okay. Ooh, all of a sudden that became a little spicy. Probably just hit me. I appreciate you guys so much. You guys are so sweet. I've been struggling, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna sit here and be like, no, I'm great. Like, everything's great. Everything is great, but mentally I've been struggling a little bit, but I'm alright. Like, I think if it ever got to the point where I'm not okay, you guys wouldn't see me post as much and stuff, I think. Because this is my work, but if I really needed like a real break, I'd take it. And maybe I am gonna need one soon, but for the most part, I am okay. It's just, you know, I've been having a lot of moments, and that's when I start to realize that I might need a break of some sort of from whatever. But yeah, I'm good. Thank you guys for being so concerned. I do find that post to be really funny though. I've been seeing a couple of people on Twitter saying how, you know, this is starting to get really, like, you know, fatigued. Like, people are starting to get fatigued. We've been going through this COVID mess for almost a year already, and we still don't have that many answers. Just got to take it day at a time. And I do kind of get seasonal depression. I hate gloomy days, and it's been so gloomy like the past like week. I'll keep my head up, as you guys should as well. And today, the Warriors are playing Brooklyn. That's gonna be a good game. Yeah, I need a spoon. I'm excited for that one. I'm gonna try the fruit champagne. I feel like I've had this for whatever reason. I'm trying to remember what this reminds me of. What's really funny is that it tastes just like the name suggests. So I'm gonna take some black beans for my, wait, this is not beans. What is this? This is like, I thought this was beans. Oh, it is beans. Okay. Okay, these beans are so different. They're kind of like in a, like a puree type of thing. Okay, this is interesting. Y'all, I've been obsessed with TikTok. I spend a lot of time on TikTok now. Not like making TikToks and stuff, but like, well, I've been making a lot of TikToks, but just scrolling on TikTok. So addicting. Those are some good beans. Let's try this vegetable stew. I don't know why vegetable stew always scares me. Like, I know it's vegetables, but I just don't know what it is. I think I eat all vegetables except for beets. Honestly, that is like the only food I cannot. Okay. Wait, my grandma makes something like this. Dang. What is it? What does she make that's like this? This is really good. This has meat in it too. Right? Did I just taste meat or am I bugging? I feel like I just tasted meat. This is good. The seasoning so far it's like really like smoky and sweet. Is that right? This is good. This vegetable soup is bomb. This is my favorite thing so far. Fried pork. I've said this a couple of times while I've been eating, like, I don't know, but you ever eat food, right, and it's so good that you start to wonder, like, what did I ever do to deserve such goodness? It's so good. Like, food is like the best thing ever. Seafood is an instant cheer me up, you know what I mean? So like, food in general is an instant cheer me up. It is. This is so... I'm gonna try some with some plantain. Whoops. It looks appetizing. Tell me what you're talking about now. I just dipped into the sauce and it's a whole nother level. For those of you that suggested Haitian food, I see you. Thank you. Honestly, I'm really happy about this because, as I said, I never had Haitian food except for the black rice. As far as I remember anyway. I'd have to ask my mom or something if I had any other Haitian food. Now we're eating some of the black rice and tiso goat. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. I'm not gonna lie, you guys. I might take a little break real quick. I'm so full. I'm overeating at this point. I actually don't remember what black rice tastes like. So it's black rice and it has peas in it, right? Yep. All right. I remember this. It's really like smoky. I like black rice. When my mom's friend made it for us, it was so delicious. It's so good on its own. You know how sometimes like I can't really eat rice on its own. Like I'm a protein type of person. Like I love my meat, but this rice you can eat it on its own. Alright, I'm gonna have some goat. You guys know I love goat. Or if you don't know, you know now. I love goat. I've never had goat cooked like this before. This is good. I'm gonna dip it in my sauce over here. I know what y'all doing. Okay. So last one I'm gonna try is the fruit cola. I've definitely had this before. I feel like DR has similar sodas, honestly. It might even be the same company and stuff. Like we're neighbors. Even though DR don't be, let me not get into that. Yeah, I feel like I've definitely had this. I've definitely had this. And I feel like I've definitely had this. The banana soda is familiar too, but I just feel like because it's banana, so I don't know. Maybe I have. I don't know. I'm so full, you guys. I really want to eat more, but I'm really like, I can't no more. I can't breathe. All right, all right. I'm gonna take some more goat, and I'm just gonna dip it. So good. All right, guys. I'm really happy about this. I think that the itis now. I'm definitely gonna do some research on this sauce because this was so good, and I'm really thankful for you guys for requesting this, for telling me to do a Haitian mukbang. I'm definitely gonna be eating this today, tomorrow, the next day if there's any more. But this is really, really good. Oh my god. Thank you guys for requesting this. This was really good. I love Haitian food. Let me know if there's anything else I should try as far as like Haitian food, because I am down. Like, this stuff tastes so good. My favorite thing was definitely the fried pork, the legumes, and the black rice. The one my mom's friend made is honestly had a little bit more flavor, so I liked hers better. I'm not sure what's the difference though. I'm not sure like what she did differently, but I'm sure everybody adds their own little touches to everything, just as in any cuisine, any food, anything. So there's that. I really like the goat as well. I've never had goat like this. Typically, like my grandma, whenever I've had goat, it's been like in a sauce kind of thing. Like, it's never been like this kind of like fried goat, and it's really, really good. I really like it. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Let me drink some more of this. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you ate for dinner, or what you're eating for dinner. If you're watching this video during dinner or lunch, whatever. I know I upload a little bit early, so if it's lunch, let me know what you're eating for lunch. Thank you guys for watching. Please let me know what other cuisines I should try in the comments down below. What other cuisines I should do a mukbang on, because I am down. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Turn on your post notifications. Follow me on TikTok, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!